Did you know that elephants are incredibly social? They live in family groups led by a matriarch. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror, showing intelligence. They have complex emotions, like joy and grief. Did you know they can communicate using infrasound? These sounds can travel for miles, connecting them. Elephants are known for their unique behaviors, like dust bathing. They use mud to protect their skin from the sun and insects. These gentle giants are truly remarkable creatures.